Morning. Time is 7 o'clock. Sun is risen well above the horizon. Getting ready for Masan with Surya Kartak also, of course, already started. Nice chilly morning. Had 2 puffs that I had saved over from last night for breakfast. Had 20 rupees worth of tea plus coffee. 10 rupees tea, 10 rupees coffee. Had 10 rupees worth of buttermilk. And was fortunate enough to overshoot my hotel lane and reach this wonderful bench at the appropriate time with wonderful clear skies. Perhaps this would be better with maybe some mantras in the background, but I'll do that maybe tomorrow. We are not supposed to look at the sun after maximum 10 minutes or 15 minutes after dawn. It can damage the eyes, and if the sun is high enough, it can burn a hole in the retina. So I have started giving this statutory warning before every session, because one more will be recorded at 12 noon and maybe one more in the evening. So that should not be copied. It is simply a demonstration of how the body itself can be made powerful enough to survive the Kali Yuga. Otherwise, too much, you eat anything, you will get cancer. You smoke, you will get cancer. You drink, you will get liver cirrhosis. You breathe, you die of air pollution. You go into the villages, body is so soft it can neither tolerate cold nor heat. So that is the condition in the Kali Yuga, that the body is neither able to survive the countryside environment nor able to survive city environment. So where to live? Live in the hospital, so that nobody can see your suffering, and you can pay the doctors and the nurses so that nobody sees your suffering. So in this condition, yoga practiced from young age, irrespective of Whether you are atheist or communist or you are of any religion or you are Buddhist or whatever, it will make the body strong enough to survive its environments. This is one demonstration of one of the capacities that can come by young age practice of yoga. After that, you can live your whole life, rest of your life, just as a person studies 40 years to become a doctor, and after that, within 2 3 years, he is famous, and people come to him and pay lakhs of rupees for one operation, etc. Like that, this is a good investment because it does not require any tremendous study or brain power or anything. Every single human being can do it. Of course, bread and all has to be earned, so that's why this has to be started from the younger age, maybe about 6 7 8 years, so that the period during which you don't have to actually work to earn money. And of course, it's the responsibility of the government, whichever government it may be, that they have to make sure that somebody who is becoming a teacher in this line should be capable of devoting sufficient time to it. And then I was saying that because in most European countries, I don't know about the highly populated ones like the southern European countries, but definitely northern European countries, even towards Russia and all the countries which were of USSR, there is always a pension for a person who is not able to earn for any reason whatsoever. So this system is not entirely possible right now, but that is because we have wasted a lot of time, and the population is also very large, and whatever may be the reasons. Anyway, this is the only way to survive Kali Yuga. Otherwise, even if you become the most powerful nation in the world or anything, you have to settle on the moon or on Mars, because the very climatic conditions, the food that we eat, is destroying the body. When the body is strong, then there are yogis who live in Himalayas. Then some books write about yogis that are living even in the lava in mountains. In some books, they are saying that there are rishis living in the sun. Whatever it is, or it is not, there is no doubt that the nature loving, nature hugging people and those who practice these, especially I am proponent of yoga. There may be other things also, like in China, the Kung Fu masters are there. Then, like that, there are various disciplines, the samurai masters of Japan. So, they are making the body not to be affected by environment as far as possible, to the extent possible. So that is why I give this demonstration of Surya Tratak with selfie video recording, which nobody has done on earth up till today, and my videos are on YouTube. So then there are some people which is followed a lot nowadays in the West, is controlling the health through various diets. That is also good. Those who are able to do that, usually it is done by sports people. They control their diet according to how they have to exert. Then they do the relevant exercises to strengthen the muscles and the bones. So if that can be done, this can also be done. Thing about the yoga practices is that everybody can do it with minimum expenditure and maximum relaxation and only it unlike these western techniques, it requires a little time. Like you have to get up in the morning, do it with the sun, evening, sandhya time. Afternoon practices and all are only for advanced. Otherwise the daytime can be used for earning money or whatever. See, smoke is coming out from the mouth due to the coolness. But since it has come, it has reminded me that I am to demonstrate one more capacity, which also is not recommended, which smoking is injurious to health and can cause lung cancer. But along with blood pressure, heart problems, etc. Uh, thing is that even if a person is addicted to smoking for any reason whatsoever, some people require it for bowel movement, some people require it for tension relief. Not more than 4 or 5 should be smoked by a normal person per day. I am doing it as a demonstration just of capacity, lung capacity, eye capacity that occurs. Just a second. People usually start at the age of 55 because the doctor says everything has side effect, so sit and do yoga. At the age of 55, the body is not going to listen to you. I started at 20. But those who start at 7, 8, they are luckier. Another very harmful practice which I am going to demonstrate to you for demonstration purposes only. Pranayam, okay, for lung capacity. Now I can do it with this also. Never try that. You will get chakkar and fall down. It's just how the body becomes immune. Now this is absolutely no use tobacco for the body, nicotine. Better to use caffeine if you want to stay awake. That is less harmful than tea and coffee. Less addictive also. I have no objection against addictions if somebody does it, but it will destroy your body. It's just like these allopathic medicines. You start with the blood pressure medicine or with the diabetes medicine. You have to continue that till the end of your life. That's what the doctors say. So essentially, through yoga, you can prevent the body and the mind from becoming dependent on anything other than what nature naturally provides. Then it is the human technique to always try to go one step ahead, create something one step ahead of what nature is providing. Okay, that is good, but that is not necessary for a happy life, even for a human being. Anyway, I think that will be enough for today, because I used to make 1.5 hour long videos, then people get bored. So anyway, today we have reached I think how much, 15 or 20, 15 minutes, right? So I'll stop for now and continue at the 12 o'clock session for demonstration purposes. For me, even this is not necessary, but I'm just doing it as a demonstration of capacities. Have a good day.